Ain't this what you came to see? Let me be your muse. I'll inspire you in ways you won't believe. 50 shades and hues, tailor-made for you.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This video is long overdue. Yes, I am standing in my shower because the video that I'm about to do that's long overdue is about to be about my actual skin care for my body. I am a big advocate of skincare. If you know me, if you've watched my latest video on my face skincare, this is how I do my body, okay? I was always a tomboy, so I grew up always getting bruised. I bruise very easily, so I've been really big on always like making sure I try to clear my hyperpigmentation or my dark spots that can be on my legs, on my arms. I love like really smooth skin. Like anybody, my skin is very smooth because I am like big on exfoliating, and people don't really understand. Like I used to even believe this, like, or even thought this, and I was like a little younger. I would just thought that we would just wash with one thing, a bar of soap. But now things have changed so much, and we have so much connections to other great products for different parts of our body parts. I use at least about 3 to 4 different things when I take a shower, depending on what I'm doing, depending on my mood, depending if it's morning shower or an afternoon shower or a night shower. That's how I depend on. That's what depends on when I'm, you know, trying to get my body care and all that good. But in this video, I'm going to show you guys all the products that I use, and I'm going to go ahead and list and tell you guys all the great benefits that it gives. Now, this video is not sponsored, but it should be, but it's not, but we getting there. It's not sponsored, but I am a person that loves to use products that I genuinely love and I use. I'm not going to promote something that I do not like, that I don't think is good. I have been using these products a little bit before I decided to do this video, and I absolutely love them. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just show it, and I'm gonna get to the point because I don't want to just keep on talking and rambling, and don't click off this video. Stay tuned, okay? Y'all ready? Let's go. Okay, y'all, let's jump right into the video. First and foremost, I gotta put up my hair. Whether I'm wearing my long braids or my short pixie, I secure my hair because I don't like it to get in the way when I'm trying to wash and get all clean, you know? So yeah. Now y'all know my holy grail, CeraVe. I love this face wash. It gets my face clean. It keeps my skin nice and soft, get all the dirt and all the icky stuff off from the day. It's kind of like one of my pre-washes that I put on before I use my other face wash that's coming up. Yes, poppin', brown skin girl. So this is my Panoxo. I love Panoxo. It's for the breakouts. I put that on my face, let it sit, wash it off, boom, bada boom, and we done. Now my Bioma, I love this smoothing body polish. One thing I love to do is exfoliate. I exfoliate my skin, especially my back, because sometimes I can kind of break out a little bit and get like back acne. Now I'm a tomboy, y'all. Was a tomboy. So my legs, you know, I got little blemishes, but you know, I keep it together. And then I pop in with the actual body wash. I like to do the body exfoliate, then I do my body wash. I get my bag. I kind of just layer the products on really well, and I use my spoofer because I just like that whole exfoliating rubbing feeling, y'all, and it smells good too. And then I go in with like my last body wash, the Energy Boost Sea Buckhorn. I use different ones, the different flavors. When I use that one, Saltaire, this is another favorite. It's a brightening one. I use this as well when I want to feel like I want to kind of freshen my skin and give it like a little nice glow. And this is my Eucalyptus Spearmint Body Scrub from Bed. It was Bath and Body Works, y'all. I'm about to say Bed Bath & Beyond. Bath and Body Works. These two combinations right here, chef's kiss. This right here, my down there wash, is the aloe-based wash that I use for my little wuha area, because you know we don't use any soap down here. Now this, my Glow Getter. This is like a gel oil cleanser. Leave your skin silky smooth. This is normally like the last thing I use after I use on my body washes, and I don't use them all together now. Depending on how I'm feeling or what I'm doing, if I shave, that's when I know I'm wearing it. And then I wash off my body wash after I'm done. White towels only. White towels, white washcloth. Okay, y'all, that was my full body skincare routine. Now that is something that I do pretty much every day when I take a shower, but like I said, all those products that I use them during different times. I use different products when I take a shower after the gym, depending on how I feel or my skin feels. If I want to wind down, like for nighttime, I'll use my Bath and Body Works that, I just love the smell of that lavender. It's just, anyway, it just puts me in that mood of just kind of getting ready for bed and feeling just nice and refreshed. And then, you know, if I want to get a burst of like smell that just wake me up in the morning, I use my the Method. I use the Method. It's like an energizer one, so that's what I use. And just to honorable mention a lot of stuff when I get out the shower, this is what I like to put on my skin. Hold on, let me get it. The bio oil. Now this does not work overnight, but I do use the bio oil for my hyperpigmentation. I have like I got really black elbows, I'm telling you. I found out something that you can use to help with that too. But I mean, if you know anything about skin, when you bruise your skin, those melanocytes are going to get dark, depending on who's, depending on your what's it called? help me. Depending on your genetics, as far as like the darkest person in your family. I have really dark skinned people in my family, so from what I learned when I went to school as an esthetician, you can get as dark as that when it comes to getting like hyperpigmentation. So I get like really dark blemishes whenever I like bruise myself or whatever, and I bruise very easily, y'all. Like my little legs is like, you know, but it is what it is. So beautiful. But anyway, the bio oil, I use this when I get out the shower, and I like to put on jojoba oil as well for my skin, because that's really good for our skin. But those were basically all my things I use. The shaving part, I love that. I love the oil. So I'm really big on keeping my skin moisturized and smooth. And also my skincare routine changed just a little bit. I want to introduce you guys to some products. Once again, this video is not sponsored. I want to introduce you guys to some products that I decided to try by Bioma, because I tried the body products and I like it. So I'm like, okay, well, let me see what about the face. So this is the brightening serum right here. Let me get you a good shot. Come on now. Hope y'all can see that. So this is the Bioma. It has niacinamide and hyaluronic acid in it. My favorites. And so far, I love it. I love it. It gives me a nice glow. It definitely makes my skin feel nice and soft and plump. So I use this, and this right here is the Deep Puff Brightening Eye Gel. So I started using this as well. And I feel like with eye gels, I have to really use them like a lot before I can start seeing the difference, because I just feel like these are things that don't work overnight. Like you have to have a puffy eyes. I don't really have dark under my eye, but sometimes it can be puffy, like I don't get enough sleep or something like that. But these are the 2 new products by them that I tried, so you guys should check that out. And of course, you see I still use my Old Faithfuls, my Panoxyl. Now I did start using this. This is new. This is kind of like my pre-wash. This have my skin so smooth. Oh my god, I love it. It has salicylic in it, and it also exfoliates while softening and smoothing skin. So this is always like my little pre-wash I use to wash it. Then of course I put this on my skin when I'm taking a shower or brushing my teeth and let it sit like a mask. So those are all the things that I do for my skincare, for my body. A little update on my skin routine for my face. I don't want to go ahead and draw this video out. I don't want to go ahead and bore you, but which I'm not, because I'm entertaining and I'm giving you good tea. Okay, drink the tea. Anime, drink the tea. But anyway, if you guys have any products that you want to kind of introduce to me, or just tell everybody, or talk to the community, make sure you guys leave comments at the bottom. Talk to me. Make sure you guys follow me on my social medias. It's Ashley Ray. My TikTok is Ashley Ray Ara. Catch me on Instagram. Catch me on Threads. Catch me on Facebook. Catch me outside. Not, but maybe. But anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up, because I need to go ahead and get my clothes on, because today is Friday and I'm gonna be outside. So let me go ahead and get my clothes. Oh, y'all like my new robe? I got this from Target. Y'all, when I tell y'all this, it's like a terry cloth. Oh my god, look. It's so soft. It's so soft. Like, I love it. Like, I was like, I want to get like a nice robe, because every time I go out of town, like to a nice hotel, I'd be like, hey, If I don't see my robe in the closet and my slippers, I'm like, can you bring me up a robe, please? Like, I walk around in my robe all the time, being comfortable. But let me go ahead and get out of here, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Y'all make sure you guys stay tuned. I'm definitely working on my consistency, y'all. Bear with me. Life be life, but I'm gonna get it done, okay? So let me go ahead and go. Talk to you guys later. Peace.